Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have the Ninja Blast. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, guys, this thing is incredibly useful. It's super cool. It is portable, it's easy to use, and it holds 18 fluid ounces. Now how it works, guys, is there's a little base down here. Now how it works is there's a little base down here, the power button, and then the blend button. This unscrews to wash it, but this stays on while you're using the bottle at all times. So how it works is this screws onto here. And then you add the ingredients into here, and then you blend it up, and it's good to go. And you guys, this thing you can carry around everywhere and keep using it, keep blending this. You know, sometimes things settle. This thing, if it settles, you can shake it up, of course, like you do in normal bottles, but if it ever settles, you just turn it right back on. Let me show you how it works. Here's an example of a smoothie you could make. There's some orange juice, yogurt, some berries, and some ice. Basically, you just turn the power button on, wait for the start button to turn purple. As soon as it's purple, you're ready to go, and there you go, guys, a nice, delicious blended smoothie. And guys, you carry this around connected to this blender still. You go to work. If this separates or settles at all, you just turn it back on. Once it's blended up again, there you go, you're ready to go. Guys, my favorite thing about this has to be the fact of how convenient it is, how portable it is. You have a blender with you all day long, and it's just really nice to have that in this nice little compact, easy to wash, super simple, makes delicious smoothies, guys, super powerful. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.